There are ways that you can prevent these 4 major issues. One of the major ways is that do not add so much water in your substrate. When you are mixing your substrate, be very careful about the mixture. Do not add excessive water. It affects the larva. Excessive water, excessive moisture, it causes fungi infection. So do not make your substrate too watery. Do not add a little water and mix it up. You can see how the substrate look like. So right now it's mixing the substrate with water. So like I said, the substrate I'm using here is maize off and brewery waste. I'm mixing it properly, and then right now is adding it to the container. So we can now add the larva to the compartment. Immediately they enter the substrate, they will start burrowing in. They will eat up this substrate in 3 days. Be cautious of how you mix your substrate. So this is one of the ways to reduce fungi infection. And then hygiene is very important. Substrate should not be contaminated. So hygiene is important. When you discover that a particular container or power pond is affected, there is infection, clear it out so that it will not move to the next power pond or container. Stop getting value from this content. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so that the channel will grow. More and more people will learn about this amazing farming called BSF farm, and it will benefit the world as a whole because it will reduce our dependence on feed for our livestock. It will reduce it so that we'll use BSF to supplement and we'll have more profit in our livestock farming. Towel or cotton wool in a bowl and keep it for them. So it's water that sustains them at this stage. And where the weather is so hot, they need continuous taking of water. So try your best to make sure they have enough water. Depending on where you are, if the heat is much, the pupa will dry up. So always put a little water from time to time to moisten them up. And then your substrate, watch out for your substrate. If it's drying up, add more water and make it moist, but do not add excessive water to your substrate. So, and something else you can do, you can get a container of water and put under your net, especially if you have a net like mine where there is like on a table. You can just put a container of water under the table so that the water will help cool the environment, especially if you are in a hot area. So the issue of environmental stress is something you can try to reduce. Condition is harsh at that time, produce less larvae. Then when the environment condition have improved for the larvae, you scale up your production. So these are some of the things you can do on your power ponds because of rodents and insects. Cover it up. So this is another way to prevent. If you have an open place like mine, always cover your container or your power pond, because you come and you find out that there is no more larvae. It is all gone. The insects have taken, the rat have taken, the lizard have taken, no more larvae. So That's why you use net to cover your larva. So these are some of the ways to prevent this risk that is involved in BSF farming. So I need you to take note of what I mentioned and put them to work. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you for supporting the channel, and I thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. See you in my next video, and take care of yourself. God bless you.